One of these AI tools creates gallery-worthy art. The other can edit an image mid-conversation. In today's head-to-head, we're comparing Midjourney versus DALL-E and crowning the best AI image generator of 2025. Welcome to AITHORITY, where we break down the tools that are shaping the future of work, creativity, and everything in between. Today, we're answering a huge question. If you could only choose one AI art tool, would it be Midjourney or DALL-E? They've both evolved rapidly. Midjourney is now on version 6, and DALL-E just got a major upgrade inside ChatGPT. In this video, we'll compare them across 6 categories. Realism, creative flexibility. Text rendering, editing features, ease of use, cost. Let's see how they stack up. Visual quality and realism. Let's start with the obvious. How do the images look? Midjourney has long been known for its cinematic, atmospheric, artful look, and version 6 now brings photorealism into the mix. Portraits, landscapes, and interiors now look nearly indistinguishable from real photos. Skin texture? Natural. Lighting? Controlled. Backgrounds? Cohesive. DALL-E, on the other hand, has improved dramatically, but still trails Midjourney when it comes to depth, polish, and coherence in detailed prompts. Winner, Midjourney. Especially for realism, lighting, and visual richness, prompt control, and style consistency. DALL-E's strength has always been in its understanding of language. It's great at interpreting natural prompts, even vague ones. It also supports style consistency, especially when used inside ChatGPT. Want every image in the style of a vintage poster or a specific artist? DALL-E gets it right more often. Midjourney has caught up with better coherence in V6, but sometimes still gives slight prompt drift or over-stylized results unless you're very precise. Winner, DALL-E, for its linguistic flexibility and prompt understanding. Text rendering, posters, labels, design work. In previous versions, neither tool could handle text well. That's changed. Midjourney 6 now supports accurate, consistent in-image text, which means you can design mock-ups, covers, and signage that actually reads clearly. DALL-E, especially in its latest update, also supports readable text, but with slightly less consistency and design polish. In side-by-side testing, MJ6 produced more commercial-ready layouts. Winner, Midjourney, for integrated text design that looks ready to publish. In-painting and editing features. This is where DALL-E takes the lead. Inside ChatGPT, DALL-E now supports in-painting, which means you can click on any part of an image, describe a change, and update it in real time. It's Photoshop-like editing with natural language, and no design skills needed. Midjourney 6 has also introduced in-painting, but it's early and limited to basic replacement. No live editing, no direct integration with a chat agent. Winner, DALL-E, hands down, for ease of editing and real-time interactivity. Usability and workflow integration. Let's talk workflow. DALL runs inside ChatGPT Pro Plan, which means you can describe what you want, see it appear. Edit it conversationally. It's intuitive and incredibly fast for brainstorming, iteration, and content creation. Midjourney, meanwhile, still relies heavily on Discord, which can feel clunky and confusing, especially for new users. A new web app is in the works, but it's still in alpha and not widely available. Winner, DALL-E, for accessibility and user-friendly interface. Pricing and value. DALL-E is bundled with ChatGPT Plus, USD $20 per month, which gives you GPT-4, custom GPTs, DALL-E image editing. Midjourney's plans start at $10 a month, but for full functionality, you're looking at the 30-month Pro plan. If you only need image generation, MJ might be better. But for broader AI use, DALL-E in ChatGPT is ridiculously good value. Winner, DALL-E, when looking at feature per dollar. Final verdict. Which should you use? It really comes down to what you're doing. Cinematic, beautiful, artistic images, Midjourney, real-time editing and workflow speed, DALL-E branding and commercial polish, Midjourney, quick collaborative iterations, DALL-E photorealistic detail for ads or covers, Midjourney, a general-purpose AI suite, DALL-E via ChatGPT. At the end of the day, there's no one-size-fits-all winner. But knowing the strengths of each tool lets you choose smarter. Midjourney is your go-to for premium visuals. DALL-E is your flexible, interactive image studio inside ChatGPT. Which one do you prefer? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to AITHORITY for more hands-on breakdowns of the tools that are changing how we create, design, and think. Tomorrow, we explore how AutoGPT and AI agents are moving beyond simple prompts and starting to take actions on their own.